The waste paper box becomes better in seconds with the folding artifact. Have a good-sized waste paper box, pens, scissors, and cloth ready. Start to make folding artifact. Cut off a piece of scrap to make a ruler. First draw the model. First turn the carton over and start cutting the model. After cutting the model, turn back and start to draw the model creases with scissors. Be careful not to cut too hard. After drawing the model, deepen the crease. Fold each crease repeatedly and press a few more times. The folding artifact is ready. You can start using it.